Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have a very important update for you all. So Geeks has launched their elite batch program. That means learning, monthly stipend, placement and no fee ever. So if you're a fresher looking for a job, no matter from which college you have done your education, no matter from which field you are, whether management or engineering or from anywhere, and you want to start your professional career in the IT industry, then this program is for you. Now what is this Geeks Elite Batch? This is an intensive 6-month program where each and every candidate will get a well-planned curriculum and also will be taught by industry experts. You know what's the amazing thing here? You will get paid for this. So in this 6 months learning tenure, you will get a fixed monthly stipend. That means this is an opportunity of learn and earn. So you guys must be thinking, what after 6 months? So after 6 months of learning tenure, there will be an interview, and based on your performance in the interview and the regular assessment during the learning period, you will get a 6-month paid internship at Geeks in any of the team, software development or becoming a mentor at Geeks and etc. And after this 6 months of paid internship, your profile will be evaluated, and based on your performance, you will get a chance to work as a permanent employee at Geeks. So now you guys must be thinking how to enroll in this program, but first let me tell you that this program is only for those who are graduated in 2020 and 2021. So to enroll yourself in this program, there will be an entrance test and interview which is totally free of cost. The entrance test will consist of 50 MCQs questions to test your aptitude, verbal and logical reasoning skills, and then 3 coding questions, 1 easy and 2 medium. The questions are not gonna be very tough. The test will be online. That means you can try it from your home. The duration of the test will be of 2.5 hours. The timing is 11th of September, 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. And based on your performance in the entrance test, top 100 performers will be shortlisted for the interview. And then after the interview, top 50 performers will be selected for this Geeks Elite Batch program. So after getting selected in the Elite Batch program, your 6-month learning tenure will be started. And here you will learn bunch of technologies like programming in Python, operating system, data structures algorithm, object-oriented programming, frameworks like Django, React and many more. Other than that, there will be 3 assessments after every 2 months, and not only this, you will get a fixed monthly stipend also. And after 6 months of learning period, you will get a 6-month paid internship at Geeks, and also based on your performance, you will get a chance to work with any of the team, whether it's software development or course mentor or etc. And after successfully completing the 6 months of paid internship, you will get an opportunity to work as a permanent employee at Geeks in any of the team based on your performance. So now, why should you join Geeks Elite Batch? Here you will get 6 months stipend during the learning phase. Not only this, you will be taught all the relevant skills by industry experts that are required to get a job in the IT industry. The curriculum of 6 months learning tenure consists of theoretical knowledge, projects and practical exposure. After this 6 months of learning tenure, you will get a 6-month paid internship, and then also you will get an opportunity to convert your internship into full-time job offer. So now let's discuss the rules and regulation of this batch. Candidate will be selected totally based on their performance in the entrance test and in the interview, so there will be no partiality. The team allotment will be done by the company itself, and that will be based on your performance in the assessment and in the interview. And all the 50 performers will definitely get an opportunity to convert their internship into a full-time opportunity. So this is all about this Geeks Elite Batch program. And if you have any query, you can check out our FAQ section where we have answered most of the queries. So if you feel comfortable with this and want to register yourself for the entrance test, the link to the test is given in the description. Thank you for watching.